Hey everyone, are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Do you dream of turning a small amount of money into a substantial sum in just 24 hours? Well, I'm here to tell you it's possible. The challenge making money online is tough. There are countless scams and misleading promises out there. But what if I told you there's a legitimate way to potentially grow your money significantly? The solution. Today, we're diving into the world of binary options trading. This is a market where traders can make significant profits by predicting the direction of asset prices over a short period. It's a high-risk, high-reward market where the stakes are high, but the potential rewards are even higher. The key is to understand the risks and manage them effectively. With the right strategy, you can turn a small investment into a much larger one. This isn't about luck, it's about making informed decisions based on market analysis and trends. I'm going to share a strategy that has worked for me. One that involves careful planning, disciplined execution, and continuous learning. This strategy isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a methodical approach to trading. And I believe it can work for you too. By following this strategy, you can increase your chances of success in the binary options market. Remember, trading is a journey, not a destination. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep learning. Strategy overview. The key to successful binary options trading is understanding market trends. This involves a deep dive into the patterns and behaviors of the market over time. By closely monitoring these trends, we can make more informed decisions and increase our chances of success. We'll focus on identifying support and resistance levels. These are critical points on a chart where the price tends to pause or reverse. Understanding these levels can give us a significant edge in predicting future price movements. When the price bounces off these levels, we'll enter a trade. It's that simple. By recognizing these key points, we can strategically place our trades to maximize potential profits while minimizing risks. I'll break down the process step by step, ensuring that each concept is clear and easy to understand. We'll cover everything from the basics to more advanced strategies, so you can build a solid foundation and grow your trading skills. So don't worry if you're new to trading. With the right guidance and a structured approach, anyone can learn to trade successfully. We'll provide you with the tools, knowledge, and support you need to navigate the financial markets with confidence. Live demo. Now let's put this strategy into action. I'll share my screen and show you exactly how I approach a trade. Demonstrate the strategy using clear visuals and concise explanations. Highlight key points such as risk management and profit taking. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips. Your support helps us create more content that can guide you through the complexities of the financial markets. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos packed with valuable insights and strategies. I'll be sharing more in-depth strategies and live trading sessions on my Telegram channel. This is where we dive deeper into the nuances of trading, discuss market trends in real time, and answer your burning questions. It's a community where traders of all levels can learn and grow together. The link is in the description. Remember, trading involves risk. It's crucial to understand that while the potential for profit is significant, so is the potential for loss. Always be prepared and stay informed. Always do your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor. Educate yourself continuously by reading books, attending webinars, and staying updated with the latest market news. Knowledge is your best tool in navigating the financial markets successfully. Thank you for watching, and happy trading. Additional tips. Use clear and concise language. Avoid jargon. Keep the video visually appealing with graphics and charts. Practice your delivery to ensure a confident and engaging presentation. Edit the video to maintain a fast pace and keep viewers engaged.